Hello everyone. Today, once again, we have something special in our workshop. We have received another set of shock absorbers from a Lamborghini Aventador for repair. This video, however, will not be focused mainly on the repair itself. Instead, we will explain the full workflow of shipping and receiving suspension parts. We do this because many of our clients often ask questions about this process. We will also explain why it's not complicated and not risky to send your shock absorbers to us even from the other side of the world. As you may already know, we work with clients from all over the world. These shock absorbers, for example, arrived from the United States. The client chose express shipping. The transport from New York to Bulgaria took less than 2 days. However, in Bulgaria, our international shipments like this are held at customs. The customs clearance proceeds 2 or 3 days. To make customs clearance fast and smooth, we strongly recommend checking the information advice in our website. In the customer information section, we explain the entire process and list all required documents. After we successfully receive your shock absorbers, we disassemble them and test them on our dynamometer. Many owners of these shock absorbers do not realize that there is already a problem. The Lamborghini Aventador is equipped with magnetic ride shock absorbers, and the fluid inside them is a mixture of hydraulic oil and metallic particles. Over time, the liquid part of the oil begins to leak. What remains inside is a very thick substance, almost like metallic mud. The shock absorber becomes stiffer and stiffer, and the car becomes more dangerous to drive. Because this process happens gradually, many drivers do not notice the problem immediately. They slowly get used to the stiffness and believe this is normal for a high-performance hypercar. In this type of vehicle, the rear shock absorbers are usually affected first. They are exposed to much higher temperatures and greater load because the engine is mounted at the rear. We test the shock absorber now on the dyno. Initial dyno test of the shock absorber. You can see the leakage and the sound of squeaking. An interesting fact is that the dyno graph is symmetrical. This means the shock absorber is working smoothly and consistently, but is far too stiff. The resistance it generates is too high, even for a sports car. We save the dyno graph from before the repair, and later we will compare it with the graph after repair, so you can clearly see the difference. So here you can see the shock absorber opened. Inside, the oil has turned into something like mud. It's no longer consistent. The shock absorber has leaked and the liquid part of the oil is gone, and only the metallic particles remain inside. This type of oil wears out the oil seal much faster. This is why such shock absorbers develop problems even at a relatively low mileage. To avoid disappointing our clients, we use an improved guide with an upgraded oil seal. It's also serviceable and replaceable. This ensures that the shock absorber will not leak again anytime soon. We use new original magnetic oil to guarantee perfect operation, identical to a new OEM shock absorber. The way this oil works is very interesting. Here you can see amount of oil on transparent surface. When we apply a magnetic field, you can see how the oil reacts and becomes thicker. When we reduce the magnetic field, the oil becomes fluid again. The same process happens inside the shock absorber. This is the working piston. The working piston is actually an electromagnet. The vehicle controls the strength of this electromagnet, which changes the viscosity of the magnetic oil. This allows the shock absorber to change its stiffness instantly. Now we will test it again on the dyno. As we can see, after the repair, the shock absorber works perfectly and is ready for a new life. In the meantime, every client can check our repair prices on our website. In the price catalog section, we list our prices for our services. Payment is most convenient via standard bank transfer. After we receive the payment, we will ship the shock absorber back to the client. So, if you look at the dyno graph, you will notice that it is now 30% softer. This is because the shock absorber now contains fresh magnetic oil instead of thick metallic mud. The vehicle is now much more comfortable and much more stable. We will take one more minute to show you how we check the spring preload. As you can see, these shock absorbers are threaded and the lower spring perch can be adjusted up or down. It is extremely important that the preload is identical on both shock absorbers. Here, this shock absorber is set with lower preload. We will make a test with our spring rate dyno and compress the spring 30 millimeters. So we can see 260 kilograms force at 30 millimeters. Now we will test a shock absorber with higher preload to show you the data. And this is the shock absorber with higher preload. So we can compare both shock absorbers, and what we see, the spring rate is the same, but at 30 millimeter travel from shock absorber, the preloaded has more resistance. This means this wheel will be higher. If the preload is not equal on both sides, the vehicle will not sit evenly. The Aventador is also equipped with the front lift system. it can hydraulically raise the front axle by up to 40 millimeters. We work with many official dealers of Mercedes, Lexus, BMW, Ferrari and Lamborghini. If you decide to purchase a brand new Aventador shock absorber, the price is 10 times higher than our repair. In addition, delivery usually takes between 2 or 4 weeks. With us, the entire process takes only 2 days, and you receive quality and reliability that meet or exceed OEM standards. And the best part is, if in the future this shock absorber needs service again, any future repair will be much more affordable because the shock absorber is now fully serviceable. That's all from us. The shock absorbers are ready and are now being shipped back to the USA. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.